Hello everyone out there, this is your girl Mosmi. Welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't seen this face before, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so that when I come online you get notified. Today I'm going to review this product by Glam Glow, and this is the Flash Mud Brightening Treatment. It says that the brightening treatment is a multi-sensorial quick brightening result, and it is also unisex. It can be used by men and women. So I have used this prior to this, and I've been using this for past 2 months. So it says that for the first 3 times you have to go ahead and apply it for the first 3 days, I mean to say, and then you can go ahead and apply it once or twice every week. And so I would let you know what the price is. However, I've taken out the price tag, so I will look it up online and mention the price below if you want. It is quite expensive though, and this is the packaging that it comes in, and I'm going to open this for you guys. Okay, it says hello sexy and comes in this beautiful orange bottle. The bottle is really nice. I love the packaging. So I am going to show you how it looks from inside. Okay, this is how it looks. It's creamish in color, and the smell is really nice. I love the smell of this, and so it claims to brighten up your skin and even tone your skin if it is uneven somewhere. So I did have a black mark out here that I don't know what was the issue, why I had that, but it has gone away. So I'm going to demonstrate on how to use this. So what we're going to do is, first I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair so that I have it off my face. Okay, so the instructions say that you have to apply it to a dry face and then go ahead and massage it in circular motions to exfoliate your skin, and then you have to leave it for 20 minutes. So I am going to apply this. I'm also going to apply it on my neck area. Oh, I love the star detailing. So I'm going to take quite some of it on my fingers. Okay, I'm going to go in with both my hands in circular motions. Since this is like a scrub, make sure that you do not go too close to your under eye area. The skin under your eye is very sensitive and very tender, so avoid scrubbing that area. Okay, it feels really cold. The cream is actually cold on the face, which is nice. if you want to know where you could buy this cream, so you can get it at Nykaa. I got this from the Sephora store. You could visit Sephora and get it from there. They generally have this. Alright, so I've gone ahead and applied it all over my face and my neck, and we are going to leave this for 20 minutes and I'll get back with you guys. Alright guys, so 20 minutes ho chuke hain and I'm back. So see, the cream looks transparent, I would say semi-transparent. That is what is mentioned on the box. It says that it would turn into semi-transparent as the ingredient absorbs. So 20 minutes are done and it says that we have to go ahead and wash it with water. However, I go ahead and wash it with lukewarm water. That is how I like to wash my face. So I feel it makes it more softer. I love the feeling. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my face and get back with you guys and show you the result. Alright, so I'll be right back. So I've gone ahead and washed my face and I do see a difference. I hope you guys can see it too. I will go ahead and put up a picture of before and after so that you guys can go ahead and compare. In the meanwhile, I have also checked the price for this particular product. It is priced at 4,400 on Nykaa. I will go ahead and put up the link in the description box below for you guys so that you can go ahead and check the product out if you want to. And if you ask me, does this product really work? I would say it works wonder. Like I said, I had a black patch here, which I don't know why I had got it, where did it come from, but it has gone ahead and evened out my skin a lot. So it feels a little dry right now because I haven't applied a moisturizer. The key to, soft skin, or in a skincare routine, you always have to go ahead and moisturize your skin after you go ahead and exfoliate it. So I'm going to do that right after the video. And if you ask me if I'm going to buy this product again, I would say maybe, because if I find something which is as wonderful as this and is more economical, I would opt for that, because like I said, it's a little heavy on the pocket. But yes, it does work wonders. And to see more such reviews on the products and my makeup videos, please follow me, and I am going to see you in my next video.